No touching. What?
Oh, can you come wipe this for me? I popped a pimple in my head and it's bleeding everywhere.
I caught that.
I needed that right now. Jesus, man.
Hey, what's up, y'all? It's me, Jennie here. Welcome to a brand new episode of How to Keep Yourself Sane. I have officially lost it in 11 weeks of quarantine, and this is my son, Kyler. So today, I am going to make quinoa salad for you guys. So 2 days ago, I uploaded a video where I did a cook with me. It was just pretty much a time lapse of me making nachos and chicken pesto soup, which, by the way, I will link right here. I am still lazy in the kitchen. Still lazy. But I have to cook for my family, so I figured I would make quinoa salad. Now, I have made a few quinoa salads in the past, but this one I will make it different, going along with the theme of I can't make anything twice. So, what was I gonna say? I did pre-cook the quinoa before we get into the footage. This morning I wanted to actually make it and film me making the quinoa salad, except family happened, routine happened, and I wasn't able to make it. I was only able to cook the quinoa, which I didn't get on film, but it's pretty much easy. It's 1 cup of quinoa to 2 cups water, let it boil, cover it, reduce it to low, and then let it simmer for 15 minutes and your quinoa is done. So, now, if you want to see how I make this quinoa salad, please keep watching.
When I picked up the pot of quinoa, I noticed that it had clumped together. So I just took a fork and I scraped the top part of the quinoa into my square Tupperware glass thingamabobber. And I just kept doing it until all my quinoa was separated and light and fluffy. Then I took 2 oranges and I zested those oranges with a grater. And I juiced those same oranges into my salad. I only needed 1.5 oranges. The other half I just gave to Kyler. Like, truthfully, these oranges were so juicy that I only needed 1.5. I quartered a lemon and put that juice in the quinoa salad. I did hear that lemon enhances the flavor of the orange, so that's what I was going after. And then I took some sliced almonds. I would say it's about 1/4 cup. Now, you can roast these almonds first, but I chose not to because, like I said at the beginning of this introduction, I'm lazy. So I just stuck 1/4 cup into the salad. I took about 2 handfuls of craisins and chopped up some cilantro, mix that all up together. And there you have it. That is my quinoa salad. I would say put it in the fridge for about a few hours or so everything gets cold, as well as all the flavors have time to melt together.
And that is how I make my quinoa salad. So, if you have any suggestions with what you want me to cook, or if you have any other video ideas that you want me to film, please let me know down below. Anyways, I will end the video right here, so please don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, all down below, or you can catch me on all my social media, which is right here. That's at kiss.jennie. That's spelled kiss.jennie, Jennie with an IE. Or if you want to subscribe to my channel, click on my face right here. Or if you want to catch me in my last video, click right here. I upload videos every Monday, Wednesdays, and Fridays, and I will see you in my next video. Bye-bye!